Hi, I'm Dr. Steven Ferguson. I have a large medical practice in eastern North Carolina, a small town called Powellsville. Today we're talking about withdrawal, and particularly using a product called Suboxone. Going to talk about relationships. That's such an important component when you're trying to go through withdrawal. So many patients get discouraged. They'll come in, they'll clean for 2 weeks, and they say, nobody believes I'm clean. Nobody believes I'm not doing the drugs. Well, what do you expect? You know, messed everybody up for all this time, lied to them, cheated, steal, and now all of a sudden you want them to believe you for 2 weeks. Hang in there with them. Understand that your family is going to go really slow with you. When you build trust, it takes a long time to build trust, but it doesn't take long to knock it down. So as you get into a Suboxone program and you're talking to your spouse, your girlfriend, your family, your friends that you're in the program, don't say a whole lot. You know, let your actions speak. If you used to look high all the time, hopefully you don't look that way anymore now that you've started getting clean. Well, say you still look high. I've got one patient, she's been clean for 8 months, and she just looks high every time she sees me. And so, you know, you may still look that way, and so family, friends going to still think you're high. So don't get discouraged because they're still treating you like they used to treat you. It will improve. That's where trust comes in. Trust takes a long time to build. So say you started getting clean, you've been clean for 4 months, and then you're starting to get a little bit of trust from your wife, your parents, or whoever, and then you do drugs on the weekend. You say it's Christmas weekend, and all the family comes in, and you do just a little bit of drugs. Well, you might have gotten up to point, say, 2, but now you're back to -1. You're not going back to 0 once you break the trust, because once they've started trusting you again, and you break the trust, you're back to -0. It takes a long time to build trust. It might take months, it might take years, it might take a lifetime. So understand that as you go through the drug process, the withdrawal process, the get clean process, that your family is not just going to jump on board with you. They're going to be hesitant to believe what you're saying. How do you show them that you're doing what you need to do? You keep your job. You pay your bills right. You have a car. You have a home. They see your family and you know your kids, your wife, and they look good, and they look like they should look, and they're going to school like they should go to school, and they're not missing school. All those little things are ways in which a person will be able to tell that you're doing what you're supposed to do. But again, you're not doing it for them. You're doing it for you. You're doing it so that you can live a long and healthy and prosperous life. And when others can see that happen, yeah, that's great, but that's the bonus. That's the bonus part. But just understand, you're doing it for you. Don't go out and doing something crazy because people don't believe you. Your girlfriend doesn't believe that you've been clean, and you go out and, well, if she don't believe it, I'm just going to get high anyway. No, that's not the way to do it. You're doing this for you. Getting off the narcotics is a great thing to do for your body, for your health. So I encourage you to do that. Use a program like ours with Suboxone. There are other programs like that around the country as well. But we'll be happy to see you and work with you. Give us a call, 252-332-6484, because I know you can do it.